guys, me and my friend Danny, we're doing a pitch tutorial. I'm doing wiffle ball, he's doing blitz ball. So first I'm going to throw the drop ball, and he's going to throw the drop ball too. So, bye. So first, you just want to go like this, facing up. You could throw it sidearm. I'm going to do sidearm first, and then you could throw it overhand. Overhand's kind of like a curveball, but who cares? First, sidearm. Want the holes facing up. And that was sidearm. So it's overhand now. So now you just want to go like this. Same thing, same grip. Just want to throw overhand. People are going to call it a curveball, but it doesn't matter. It does the same thing. Overhand. Now Danny's going to be throwing the blitz ball. In this video, I'm going to show you how to throw a drop ball with a blitz ball. Here's the blitz ball. Okay, so basically, you want to have a 4-seam blitz grip, 4-seam grip, and then act like you're throwing a baseball bat. Don't act like you're doing a riser. Riser, you're going down. A baseball bat, you're level. And make sure you don't get it too up, like an overhand. So basically, you want a leveled sidearm, and then you want this hand to flicker up. Now I'm going to show you it. Okay. That's how you throw a drop ball. I wasn't trying there. That was a good pitch. That really moved, and if you have good control of it, it's going to move like that. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to throw a screwball with a blitz ball. It's just like a drop ball. But instead of a 4-seam grip, you want that 2-seam grip. And then, you know how you throw sidearm? You kind of want to extend your arm, but not too much that you're trying to stretch it. You want to get that slight bend, and then finish. But no matter what, lefty or righty, you always are throwing that lefty's batter box. So you get that slight bend, you throw it, and then let the ball do the work. Okay. Right? And then that's how you throw the screwball. Now I'm going to be throwing the riser. It's like the slider, same grip. Just want to throw it sidearm, like the drop ball. Sidearm, and then you want to release a little more. Just want to get a little under your strike zone so it could get up. It's basically, slider and riser rhyme for a reason because same grip. Riser. That was the riser. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to throw a curveball with a blitz ball. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is get this 4-seam grip, but then these 2 fingers, you just want to close them like that, and then keep that where it is, the bottom finger where it is. And then the rest is simple. You just want to throw it overhand, and you don't need to get flick or that or this. It doesn't matter. Just throw it overhand, and then the ball will curve in. So you're supposed to throw in the lefty's batter's box, righty or lefty, and then it should curve into the strike zone. Now I'm going to show you how to pitch it. And then that's how you throw a curveball. Now I'm going to be throwing a 2-seamer. So you want your thumb in a hole. So you want to come over, just like that. You want to throw it sidearm so it just can move inside. And for a righty, it will move inside for a righty. But it will move inside for if you're a lefty. So yeah, 2-seam.
was a two-seam.
Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to throw a two-seamer with a blitz ball. It's just like a splitter, just without splitting your hands all the way through. You want to get a good split. And then basically, you just don't sidearm. It's not a riser, it's not an equal sidearm. It's just an overhand. Fast as you can, down the middle. Now I'm going to show you the pitch. Here. That's how you throw the two-seam fastball with a blitz ball.
Now we're going to switch things up. I'm going to throw one pitch with the blitz ball, and it's going to be a four-seam. Like that. I want to throw overhand, right? All the way up here, just come down. It's supposed to, and if you throw it all the way down, it's going to have that rise movement. So, four-seam. Four-seamer. That was the four-seam.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to throw the two-seam knuckleball. It's very simple. It's just like a two-seamer, just wiffle ball. Make sure you have this type of wiffle ball. You want to dig your fingers in those holes, kind of, not too much. This finger wants to go right here. And then you just want to throw it overhand. And then you want to get this finger to slip out. Now I'm going to pitch it. Here's the pitch.
My God. That was magic.
Now the two-seam knuckleball.
So that was our video. These are the bats that we use. Danny uses a wiffle ball bat. I use a blitz ball bat. You could see we taped it.
Yeah.
I didn't finish taping that, but it's fine. So yeah, that was our video.